This tutorial will demonstrate how to create a video, a movie, using Windows Movie Maker. This comes with the Windows XP operating system, free, so anyone with Windows XP will have this program and be able to use it for making simple and fairly complicated movies. It's actually quite a nice program. There's things that it will not do. However, when you grow in your ability to the point that Windows Movie Maker is holding you back, you'll have enough experience to help you choose a different program to work with. This is a good starting platform. Over on the left, we have movie tasks. The first step, they call it capture video. It's actually import or capture videos, pictures, audio. Let's start by importing the elements that I know that I'm going to be using in this particular movie. So here's one file. I click import. Windows Movie Maker is dividing this into chunks. As you can see, it's been divided into a total of 9 pieces. It does this apparently to help you manipulate the movie better. I know that I want to use a still picture at the beginning and end of the movie for doing my titles. So I'm going to import those now. So I click on Import Picture, and I'm going to import my studio. I just double clicked it. I could have clicked it once and then clicked the OK button. And there's one more picture I want to import, and that is an image of my tools. Clicking on Import, we're now good to go. There's 2 ways of working with the video. I'm going to start with the sort of default view, and then I'll show you the view that I prefer working with. This is going to go at the beginning of the film, so I click on it with my left mouse button, hold the mouse button down, drag down to this first box, and I let go. That will be the first element in the movie. Next, I click down with the left mouse button on this first piece of video, drag it and release. Oops, that wasn't the video. So to get rid of this, I click on it so it's highlighted with this blue line around it. Then I can just press the delete key. This is the piece I wanted right here, the actual movie footage. So I drag that, release, click on the second piece of the movie, drag it, release it, click on the third, drag and release. As I mentioned, there's another format that I prefer using when working with the movies, and that's the timeline. If you press Ctrl-T or just move your mouse button down to the Show Timeline button and click it, it changes the work area down below. This, as I mentioned, is the format I prefer. So, let's see. When I click on this piece of the movie, you'll notice how a pop-up box shows its name, which will remind me what the previous piece was that it was added. It's 003. So now I can start again by adding 004, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that's all the pieces of the movie itself. And as you may recall, we loaded a frame, a still image that we're going to use for the end of the film. So I'm going to left click, holding it down, drag that down, and release. Okay, we're moving right along. The video has its own voiceover track that was recorded with my camera at the time that I began. However, I want to put some background music on it. So I'm going to go to the Import, Audio, or Music, click, and I'm going to use this MP3 file. I'll just double click it to import. And there it is at the beginning of my collection. I'm going to left click with my mouse, drag that down to the beginning of the audio music, and release. Now we have a music track. You'll notice the music track is a bit longer than the video, which is good because at the moment the duration of the beginning title segment is only 5 seconds, and I would like that to be longer. So I'm left click with the double arrow showing, and I'm going to drag this out to 8 seconds. Release, and you'll notice that the rest of the movie was pushed to the right. Now we come down to the right, and I'm going to click on this final still image and drag this so that it comes to the end of the film. Good. Now the final still will go to the end of the audio, and the beginning segment will run for about 8 seconds, which is what I'm hoping for.